An Instant Pot is a multi-cooker that does the job of a slow cooker. It's a single appliance that does the job of 7 different kitchen appliances or tools. Some other Instant Pots on the market may come with additional programs, such as an egg maker and a cake maker. Most of the models are very similar in terms of pot size, wattage, and voltage, so if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Melfi Multipot offers an easy touch control panel with 9-in-1 cooking functions and 14 preset programs. It has an LCD panel with intuitive icons and a progress indicator. Also, it provides 6-quart stainless steel pot with a stainless steel steamer basket and 4cm raised trivet. Besides, it offers a spare silicone gasket for savory or sweet dishes, and it has silicone mitts which provide safe inner pot removal and transport. Moreover, it has extra wide steam vent handle to help keep hands away from steam release. On the other hand, it's entirely BPA free and made of the highest quality materials, including professional grade SU S304 stainless steel. The Instant Pot Smart Bluetooth is a revolutionary kitchen appliance with Bluetooth connectivity that has easy to use interfaces to control and monitor cooking progress through graphics. It comes with the latest 3rd generation technology with an embedded microprocessor, and it adjusts heating intensity and duration to achieve your desired results every time. Also, it includes dual pressure, 3 temperatures for sautéing, and slow cook and automatically keep warm. Besides, it offers 10 safety mechanisms designed to eliminate many common errors, providing you with peace of mind. You can program and monitor cooked progress in graphics from your smartphone or tablet by using Bluetooth. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 60 features improved usability and a large, attractive blue LCD screen. It comes with 15 microprocessor-controlled programs, taking the guesswork out of your cooking. Also, the exterior is made of brushless stainless steel fingerprint resistant with lid holder for left and right-handed users. Besides, it is designed with a large blue LCD with a new user interface to adjust the cooking settings, pressure levels, keep warm, on/off at any time during the cooking process. Moreover, it has new and improved programs and features to support one's fast-paced, health-conscious, and lifestyle continually. On the other hand, it includes 3 new programs: Cake, Egg, and Sterilize. Another advantage is that with the Sterilize program, one can pasteurize milk and sterilize baby bottles, jars, and utensils. The Instant Pot Ultra offers a central dial with a simple turn and press, which provides added precision in program selection and adjustment. Also, it is developed with the latest 3rd generation technology with an embedded microprocessor. Besides, the microprocessor monitors the pressure and temperature, keeps time, and adjusts heating intensity and duration. Moreover, it provides a simple turn and press for more comfortable and more precise cooking program selection and adjustment. On the other hand, the quick release button allows you to perform both continuous and pulse steam release manually. Another advantage is that it eliminates the guesswork from a recipe conversion to provide a more precise cooking time. In at first place among the list of best Instant Pots, we have the Instant Pot Duo 60. It speeds up cooking by 2 to 6 times, using up to 70% less energy, and above all, produces nutritious, healthy food conveniently and consistently. It comes with 14 built-in smart programs to cook your favorite dishes with the press of a button. Also, it has a 24-hour timer that allows for delayed cooking, and automatic keep warm, which holds the temperature of the food until you serve it. Besides, the slim body design has lid holders for both left and right-handed users. Moreover, the cooking programs have been lab tested hundreds of times for optimal effect. Thanks for watching!